Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5. I'm going to be presenting the automated testing that we did on LinkedIn website system. So the tools that we are using is Eclipse IDE, Selenium via Java programming language. Now we move on to the testing. First, we have login module where it contains test case 1A and test case 1B. So the test case 1A is where the system must be able to verify valid users with the correct username and password. So here's the coding for test case 1A. Firstly, this is where we set up the Selenium and Chrome driver. And then we navigate the program to LinkedIn login page by using this URL. Then the program will enter the correct username and password by finding the element with ID, username, and password from the LinkedIn website. Then the system is going to click on the login button. So lastly, to know that the test case is passed, the program will verify the process by checking the URL whether it contains the word fits in it or not after clicking the login button. So if it does, the test case 1A is passed, showing that the login is successful. So we are going to run the coding and see how it does. So the output shows that test case 1A is passed where login is successful. Now for test case 1B, there are three scenarios where the system must be able to verify invalid users. For the first scenario is by entering incorrect username. The second scenario is by entering incorrect password. And the third scenario is by entering both incorrect username and password. So for the coding, the structure is just the same. So we are going to skip on that. For scenario 1, the program will firstly enter incorrect username and correct password and click on the login button. So to verify that the test case is passed, the program will check on the username error message with the ID error for username in the LinkedIn website. For scenario 2, the program will enter correct username and incorrect password. To pass this, the password error message with the element ID error for password will be displayed. And lastly, for scenario 3, incorrect username and password is entered, and the combined error message will be displayed showing that this scenario is passed. So now we are going to run the coding. Now this is the output for test case 1B where it shows that 3 of the scenarios are all passed.
Siti Nur Hasyimah Binti Sahidi, my train number is 073377, and I will proceed with the app record module. Okay, so first we take a look at the test case 2A where we have to enter the correct input for the attributes. For your information, your attributes that was mentioned in the question is name, phone, email, state, and gender. Okay, so for LinkedIn, there's not that attribute, so we replace them with first name, last name, industry, education, and location. Next, we will run the code for add link in Java. Okay, so right click and run as Java application. Okay, for add record module, we have to log in first into the system. Okay, so it will automatically put in the email and password and sign in. Okay, so there is a quick security check where we have to do a verification for human. So for this verification, we just do manual, and after that we proceed again with automated testing. Okay, we have to add intro, first name, last name, and industry, alternative medicine, and we save it. Okay, so after that, the name will change to software testing, and the output will show as data added successfully, which means that the record module is successful. Next, let's proceed with the test case 2B, where we have to put null value and incorrect value for the attributes. Okay, so this is the code for the test case 2B. Okay, so we have to right click and run it. Okay, after we run, it will be directed to the sign in page for LinkedIn. Okay, so this is the code will automatically insert the input for email and password, and then we sign in. Okay, after that we have to do verification. So for this verification step, we just do manual as it want to verify a person. Okay, and then we continue with automated testing process. Okay, same as before, it will be directed into add intro, So at this edit through, we will put now value for first name, last name, industry and location. Okay, after that we will put the incorrect value for industry and location. Okay, after we have done this, the output at the Eclipse will show that there's no value for first name pass, last name, industry and location, and incorrect value for industry and location pass.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurain Syuhada Binti Mohammad Amiruddin, and matric number 074579. And hari ini saya akan membentangkan tentang automatic testing for search record module for LinkedIn system. So firstly, for search data based on name, system must be able to display all data when press the search button. So this is the coding, and we will try to run. So ini adalah data based on search. So test case 3.1 pass. So for the next, search data based on name, system must be able to display all data and order by name ascending. So this is the coding, and we will try run. So for this case, test case 3.3a.2 is fail because dekat LinkedIn dia tak ada function yang kita boleh sort by ascending. So that's fail. So for the next test is search data based on name. System must be able to display all data and order by name decreasing. So this is the coding. We will try to run. So test ni sama juga macam tadi, sebabkan LinkedIn tak ada function sort by decreasing. So test 3a.3 fail. So for lastly, kita kena search data based on gender. Sorting based gender equal to male. So this is the coding, and we will try to run it. So ni pun sama juga macam tadi, disebabkan LinkedIn tak ada pilihan yang kita boleh pilih male option. So test case 3a.4 is fail. So that is for me. Thank you.
Welcome to my video. Today I will demonstrate how to automate a delete operations using Selenium WebDriver in Java. The goal is to delete a post from LinkedIn account and verify that the post is successfully removed. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the environment. First, I have set up my environment by including Selenium WebDriver and Chrome driver. Here, I specify the path to the Chrome driver executable, which allows Selenium to control the Chrome browser. Step 2 is opening LinkedIn and login. Next, the program launches the Chrome browser and navigates the LinkedIn login page. Using Selenium's WebDriver wait, the script waits for the username and password fields to load. Then it input the credential and click the login button. Step 3 is once navigating to the post. Once logged in, the script clicks the Me drop-down, navigate to post and activity and locates the specific post control menu. Selenium's WebDriver will ensure elements are loaded before interacting with them. Step 4 is deleting the post. The next step is clicking the delete button and confirming the deletion. The script verifies that deletion by ensuring the post is longer visible on the page. Step 5 is handling error and finishing up. Finally, the program handles any exception during process and quits the browser. This ensures a clean exit regardless of success or failure. Now, let me run this code and demonstrate the delete operations.
Okay, so next kita continue dengan last module iaitu modul 5 iaitu change new password. Okay, so kita run code change new password. Kita sign in guna email dan password. Dan buat security check. Dan berjaya sign in. Lepas berjaya sign in, terus pergi ke page untuk change new password. So, change new password dan password berjaya ditukar. Next, kita move kepada test case 5B, which is password yang less than 8 characters. Run this code. Kita sign in dulu, email dan password. Dan buat security check. Dan berjaya sign in. Dan terus ke page untuk change password. Okay, masukkan current password dan password yang less than 8 characters. Untuk new password dan confirm password dia akan keluar. Your password is too short, it should be at least 8 characters long. Okay, so selesai untuk 8 characters long. Terus sekali adalah untuk password, new password dan confirm password not match. Run je code ni. Dan masuk ke page untuk change password. Okay, masukkan new password dan confirm password dengan password yang berlainan. Dia akan keluar password do not match. So that's all from us. Thank you.